Say it's recording.
Yep.
Okay. You can see here it says auger control and drive control. So when you want it to go forward or back, you use this one. When you want it to throw snow, you use this one. This adjusts the height that the snow chute is throwing the snow. If you go this way, and if you go this way, the direction that you twist it. And it will sort of lock in place. There's a locking trigger on here. Kind of a loose lock, but it locks. Alright, and here's the gear shifter. There's 6 positions, forward and 2 reverse. Alright, come over to this side and get down here. You can see the plug, get the plug.
Yep.
And there's the button for starting it.
Yep.
This is where you plug it in to start it.
Yep.
Alright, around the other side. This is the throttle. And when you're starting it, just push it over. Well, stay in the middle of this slot, so right there. Alright, this is a kill switch. If this is pulled out, it won't start and it'll shut off immediately if it's running when you pull it out. Sort of like a key, but I guess it would be good to prevent children from operating it. It's not really a key, but it has to be in. Here's the primer. Normally when you're going to start it, you'll push this bulb in 3 or 4 times.
Even with the electric start?
Yeah,
Okay.
and here's the choke. The choke has, you hear those clicks?
Yeah.
How many?
3.
Okay, so now when you're going to start it, first thing you do is plug it in. And this is the cord. Plug that in. Plug it in. I normally just leave this black cord plugged in where the extension cord is plugged in now.
Okay.
Alright, and then you come over here. And you have this in the middle, like I said. 3 might be enough, we'll do 4. Go all the way 3 clicks on the choke. Prime it 3 times, and you come over here and push the red button to crank it over. As soon as it starts, you open that choke up 1 click. See that? Yeah. All right. Let it run for a minute. Just get it warmed up. Make sure that these are going to work. Let it warm up a minute. Here's the switch. This switch turns the hand warmers on and off. So just always leave it on. You never have to turn it off. See how it kind of smooths out a little? 1 more click open. Well, it's this cold out. It might not run too good if you open it all the way. Not bad. Now you can give it more gas to start snow blowing. Slowly increase it almost all the way. When you start, always start the auger first, so that when you hit the snow, it's already turning. You can let go of the auger as long as you're driving. You can let go of the drive when the auger stops. idle it down as low as it will just keep running. Once it's warmed up, this should be all the way open. If you don't open it, you'll ruin the engine. Alright, so that's about it.
So up is open.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way up here it says run.
Yeah.
Down here it says choke.
Okay.
You don't want to run it with the choke.
Okay.
It's just for starting.